Hey, how's it going? This is Fred. I wanted to do a quick video for you guys today, just to kind of give you guys some guidance when you're trying to go look for a credit repair company. So, in my eyes, I think the most important question that you should ask to a credit repair company when you're doing your research is to see what it is that they want to push when they're going to offer credit repair services to you. Because if you continually do the same thing that you've done while you had bad credit, you're just going to continue doing the same thing. Unless you change up what you guys are doing, things are just going to continue in this repetitive cycle. So the one question that I think you guys should ask when you're doing your research and finding a credit repair company, just ask them, what's the number one common denominator that you guys see when dealing with people with bad credit? And in my opinion, and this is only my opinion, but I think poor financial decisions is going to be the main factor. Not knowing your budget. These two things are coincide with one another, and it's going to teach you, if you guys get on the right track, it's going to show you how you can go ahead and fix your credit. But you have to get the foundation in order, right? It's like, okay, let's go fix our credit. Let's get things deleted off our credit. And then you repeat the cycle. That's not really helping you. It's like you're putting a house on quicksand. You don't have that foundation going. So if you're going to be researching your company and asking them what the number one common denominator that they see and what their focus is with you, if they're not talking about finances and budgeting, I would run away, right? Now, there's a lot of people out there, right? There's a lot of people out there that are going to try to sell you everything. You know, this is why you should join me. This is why you should come work with us. I'm going to be a little bit different. Actually, I'm going to be a whole lot different because I can't take you if you don't want to use the help that I'm going to offer, right? So I've transitioned over to do the whole rebranding of what it is that I do. I wanted to get back to the basics because this is what helped me, okay? And I'm going to be honest with you. I've been put in predicaments where I've had to file bankruptcy, right? Now, are these other companies, are they going to be able to show you where they were, where they're at now? Well, they pull up a live to see exactly where you are with your credit right now. Will they show you that? Will any of the workers show you that? Like if you're working for a reputable company, you should have good credit, right? I mean, how else can you help other people fix their credit when your credit's not good? So this is just what I want to be able to show you guys. I want to teach you guys, just so you guys have some type of ammunition in your back pocket. I don't want you guys going to somebody and asking them to fix your credit, and they say, yeah, we're going to run a sweep, or we're going to do this. Just give us $1,500 down. We'll go ahead and get started for you. No, that's not what you need to do. You need to focus on you and your budgeting and your finances, because that's what it's going to take to rebuild everything. If you don't start from the foundation, it's like building a roof. You can't build a roof on top of the foundation, but don't have the walls up. Sooner or later, it's just going to come crumbling down. At the foundation, if you don't have a foundation and you're trying to put walls up, it's going to fall, right? It's the same thing with credit, right? If you don't have your finances in order, how are you going to pay yourself that reports to your credit report, right? You can't. And that's what I want to be able to do for you guys. I want to show you how to focus on your finances. Forget everything else. Focus on the finances. Focus on getting out of debt. Focus on building your emergency fund. There's a lot of things that go along with credit, and it all starts with your finances. So just wanted to give you guys that quick little video for the question that you guys need to ask when you're doing your research for starting up with a credit repair company. Ask them what's the core denominator, the common denominator that they see when they deal with people fixing their credit. What's the number one issue that they have? I promise you, nobody's going to give you that having a budget in order, I promise you no one will have that answer. So, that being said, I just want to thank you for watching the video. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. Share it with somebody you think might benefit from it. If you guys want to know what it is that we can do for you, hit me up on the DM. Leave a comment below. I will leave my contact information up above as well. So if you're looking to get started, I'm here for you. I'd love to talk with you. I'll have a calendar in the description below. And like I said, appreciate you.